my name is Courtney Lee, and this is my chicken wing dissection for Module 4 of the synovial joint. And so here I have the dissected chicken wing. You can see where I pulled back the skin to expose the bones and the cartilage. And so here we have the humerus, which has this ball shaped at the end that fits in to make a ball and socket joint, which is what does the extending and the bending of the joint. And this here is the radius, which the radius right here, and then this outside bone right here, we have the ulna. And so those are the bones that make up the synovial joint of the chicken wing. And then we have the articular cartilage, which is what is in between the joints. It's that white looking film in between the joints. And then we have the articular capsule, which is on the outside of the joint right here. And then it's all covered by synovial membrane, which is a connective tissue. And then the synovial fluid is what is in it when it's the fluid that flows between the joint to help reduce friction. So it is kind of hard to see on the chicken wing, but you can see the film on the outside of the bones, which is the membrane and the connective tissues. And so a disease that can come up in your synovial joint is osteoarthritis. So in a healthy synovial joint, there is a lining of smooth cartilage that is covered in synovial fluid. And with osteoarthritis, the cartilage becomes flaky and rough, and small pieces break off into the synovial fluid. And this causes a lot of irritation and inflammation, which makes it painful to bend and extend the joint and to walk on it because there will be a lot of friction. So it makes it painful to walk. And as I said earlier, the synovial fluid is what flows around inside. And so when pieces of the cartilage break off into the synovial fluid, that's what's causing the friction and causing pain in the bending and extending of the joint. And so that is my Module 4 chicken wing dissection of the synovial joint.